we have complex fraction. This main fraction bar means division, so I can copy fraction which we have in the numerator. We have b cube plus a cube over a square minus b square. Fraction bar, I change to division sign, and now I have to copy fraction which we have in the denominators. So this is a square minus ab plus b square over a minus b. Next, division of two algebraic fractions we have. So we have to copy first fraction, change division sign to multiplication, and we have to flip the second fraction. So it will be a minus b over a square minus ab plus b square. So this is equal. Now we have multiplication of algebraic fractions. So we multiply numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So we have b cube plus a cube times a minus b over a square minus b square times a square minus ab plus b square. Because in the second parenthesis I have first ab, in the denominator I have ab first, so I can change because we have b cube and a cube. Addition we have, so first I can write a cube and next b cube. So we have a cube plus b cube is still the same expression, and we have times a minus b over a square minus b square times a square minus ab plus b square. Next, we can use formula a cube plus b cube. This is sum of two cubes. So this is equal, let me remind you this formula, a cube plus b cube, this is equal a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. And we have in denominator a square minus b square, this is equal a minus b times a plus b. This is different of two perfect squares. So now we can rewrite term in first parenthesis to that form. So we will have a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square, and we have to copy a minus b, and denominator a square minus b square we will rewrite to that form, a minus b times a plus b, and the rest we will rewrite. So this is equal. Now in parentheses we see that we have the like terms. A plus b and a plus b we can cancel out. A square, a minus ab plus b square can cancel out, and a minus b and a minus b. So we have just 1 times 1 times 1 give me 1, and is over 1, so this is equal 1. This is my solution.